Today I want to do a side-by-side comparison of the Ocedar Spin Mop and the Tsmine RinseWise. Now both of these are great for your home if you're like me and you want to be able to not use your mop with dirty water. It has been a pet peeve of mine for years. Why do we keep sticking the mop down into the same dirty water when we're mopping our floors? Well, I'm super excited that both of these finally solved that issue, but I wanted to compare them side by side and I wanted to see how they worked compared to each other.
Let's start with the tank system. The Ocedar mop has a 2-tank system, which means you can keep the dirty water separate from your clean water. Whereas the RinseWise has a 4-tank system, a rinse tank, a freshwater tank, a wastewater tank, and a dehydration tank. With this system, the water is pumped to the rinsing tank and the wastewater is automatically separated to the wastewater tank, so everything stays nice and clean. But you can use traditional cleaning where you don't have a super dirty area. You can use this without the rinsing function. The Ocedar mop is not adjustable and it's slightly smaller than the RinseWise, which has an adjustable pole which makes cleaning hard to reach areas even easier. Here's the Ocedar mop in use. You use the foot pedal to go ahead and rinse it. My problem was it didn't rinse very well, even with the spinning. It just wasn't a very effective rinser, but it did work. The RinseWise mop has a pumping action, which allows you to control how dry you want the mop. So you can pump it a little bit longer and it really dries out the mop, or you could pump fewer times to allow it to remain wet. The RinseWise also has wheels on the bottom for easy transport and comes with 2 extra mop heads, things the Ocedar doesn't come with.
So if you are ready to stop mopping with dirty water, then either of these are going to be great choices. I will say that the Tsmine one does have the extra heads, larger capacity, and has wheels, so it does rank a little bit higher with the extra features, but both of them are great choices.